Welcome to Spyder Auto LED tail light installation guide for the 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. Check out how the Spyder LED tail light changes the look of your vehicle. Here are tools needed to prepare for the installation. T27 Torx screwdriver. Open the tailgate and let's begin. Remove two T27 Torx screws holding factory tail light assembly. Unseat factory tail light. Unseat factory reverse light socket. Unseat factory turn signal light socket. Unseat factory brake light socket. Remove brake light bulb. Locate Spyder LED tail light. Connect brake light socket. Seat brake light socket. Seat turn signal light socket. Seat reverse light socket. Seat Spyder LED tail light assembly in place. Reinstall two T27 Torx screws in place, securing the Spyder LED tail light. Repeat same steps for the other side. Close the tailgate and the installation completed. Congratulations, you have just installed your Spyder Auto LED tail light for your 2007 to 2013 Toyota Tundra. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light functions before take your vehicle back on the road. Thank you for choosing Spyder Auto installation video to assist you. For more products and information, please visit www.spyderauto.com.